Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this video about U.S. crude oil, right? Oil. So let's get started. So now I'm going to show a few trades, a few charts, monthly and weekly from the past couple of months, like this one. Monthly chart I made on January 14th, and this was the high here, 76.79, and I said, staying above that will take us to the upside. Now, the next chart I made on 11th February, monthly chart, we are still there. We were still there. And then the monthly chart, this is how it is. I made this on last Saturday, over the weekend, March 4th, right? Now, in the meantime, I was making weekly charts as well. So this is 14 January weekly chart. Again, these numbers, 76.43, 76.79, they were in play. And then again, the weekly chart made on February 11th, we are just around the corner here, 76.43, 70, just above this number here, 76.79. So I said we're gonna continue going to the upside. So last Friday, I had the trade, well, actually, this is another one, the weekly chart, which is last Saturday, right? And March 4th. But since I had my chart here that we're gonna go up. So on last Friday, I had an opportunity going long. So this is 3rd March. You can see it's US dollar 40-minute chart, the higher time frame, but the trade was good. So I just took it because I was expecting a long setup and a long trade. So I got the setup and I took this one. This is last Friday. And today, based on the same charts, today what happened? This was from the 40-minute chart you just saw. And now in a 20-minute chart, this is how it looks like. And it retraced here and gave me a setup and boom, it's gone. Right now, this trade is to still have a long way to go. So I'm still holding it and let's keep going. Right. It's a slow time now, 6 p.m. So, but I'm going to hold it for a couple of days, I guess, maybe a day or two, see, where we end up. The target to the upside is 1877. It's not showing here, not 1877. What am I saying? That's gold target. I'm mixing things up. All right. So forget about that target. So yeah, I'm going to hold this one for a little bit more and see what happens. And then I'll take more long entries if I see them. Now, gold also is getting ready to go up. Yesterday, I don't know if I have the gold trade. This is crude oil. This is, okay, yesterday or last Friday, the gold from 40-minute chart, beautiful setup here. And then it went up from 1836 to 1855. And gold charts are like exactly the same as oil that, they're bullish, they're going up. And we are in the, wave 5 of wave 5. And keep going. So now this is how it looks like. It retraced a little bit, and then look how beautiful the setup is building here, right? So it went up from here, and then now coming down here. So this is the level, 1848. I'm going to look from my smaller time frame that if I can get an entry, and I'll take it to 1877. This is the number I was talking about. I just said it by mistake while I was doing analysis on oil. But this number is this belongs to gold. 1877 would be the target if we bounce. But of course, before that, we have 1862 to take care. So we're going to take care of that. Then we go up 1877, hopefully. So I'm waiting to take this one, and I'm holding on to the other, what was that? The oil trade, right? So this is continue going to the upside. So let's see how far we go. All right. So this is the update on oil and a little bit of gold. All right. So if you want to get the system and if you want to learn how to trade like this, just go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe, get the system, set up the charts, and take it from there. Let me show you the gold entry, the oil entry. Actually, I also posted on the Telegram. See that here? Oil may give a nice long entry. That was yesterday, 7:36 a.m. Actually, today, 7:36 a.m., not yesterday, right? And I have it here also, gold thinking about going up, right? So it is thinking about it, and it is making a nice long setup right now, right? So this is how it is, and this is where my website is. If you want to join my group, then go and subscribe. And if you want to learn every single thing about this trading business, then you might want to just take this course, one-on-one coaching over the Zoom, 10-hour course. I'll teach you every single thing about trading business, including trend line, channels, SNR levels, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, this, that, blah, blah, blah. All right, so you become master of, and then you can use this system almost trading anything, commodities, gold, oil, and energy, anything at all, stocks. All right, different settings, but yeah, you can use it very, very good. All right, so this is right now oil trade going on, like I said, and let's see how far it goes. All right, so thanks for watching and have a wonderful trading week. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get my videos quick and easy, right? So, and also click on the bell icon. You will be notified quickly as soon as I upload my videos. Oh, come on, where do I close it, man? Really?